Housecall Pro, ServiceM8. Which one are you using to help you manage your service-based business? Well, today we're going to check out both of these platforms and we're going to figure out which one you should actually be using as dedicated software. So let's check them out. Let us jump straight into Housecall Pro. So Housecall Pro provides a comprehensive suite of tools to manage scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, CRM, and a whole bunch more, all in one platform. This all-in-one approach can simplify operations for your service business. The platform also allows you to adjust schedules on the go, providing flexibility for last-minute changes. This feature is essential for maintaining high levels of customer service, and at the end of the day, customer is the most important, so that is a priority. Housecall Pro also offers marketing capabilities, including email and SMS marketing automation. This can help your business engage with clients effectively, and it really does encourage repeat business. Let's have a look at one or two of the drawbacks. Housecall Pro tends to have a bit more of a premium pricing structure, which may not be accessible for everybody, including small businesses or startups. So if budget is an issue for you, maybe Housecall Pro is not your option. Also, the complexity of the features. It has been reported that the amount of features can be a little bit overwhelming at first, and a period of adjustment may be required to fully leverage all the functionalities available within Housecall Pro. If you're looking for basic features or software that you can just jump in and start using immediately, again, maybe Housecall Pro is not for you. So let's jump into ServiceM8. ServiceM8 offers user-friendly job management tools that help businesses efficiently schedule and dispatch technicians. This simplifies daily operations and improves service workflows. The mobile application ensures that technicians that have access to all the job details can easily check schedules as well as customer information while they're on the go. This can enhance productivity and reduce communication gaps. You can also create invoices and you can process payments directly from the app, supporting various payment methods. The flexibility improves cash flow and client convenience on the go. The platform also includes built-in messaging and notification tools for improved communications with your clients, enhancing transparency and fostering positive relationships with your clients. ServiceM8 also offers fantastic time tracking systems for employees, making it super easy to manage labor costs accurately. The feature supports effective payroll management and employee accountability. You can also set up automated reminders for clients, ensuring that they are informed about upcoming appointments, reducing the no-show rates, as well as improving operational efficiencies. One or two of the drawbacks jumping into ServiceM8 is that while it covers essential functionalities, it may lack some more advanced features like some of the competitors offer. This limitation could impact your business if you have a bit more of a complex need. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, both of these platforms are fantastic. They both have really great features, and they do also feature one or two drawbacks, which must be taken into consideration. Now, the best thing here is to make sure you've used both platforms and see which one actually works for you in a more practical manner and take it from there. If this was helpful, share it with a friend. I will see you next time.